Pranic healing procedures are very simple and very easy to learn. However, behind this simplicity is a sophisticated technique that is without doubt one of the best among all known and disseminated alternate healing arts.
This self-recovery mechanism of the body, as I was telling you, that pranic healing aims at stimulating, is governed by 11 major chakras and 12 minor chakras of the body. Not that there are only 11 and 12 chakras, there are thousands of chakras in the body. But so as to make the system easy and simple to use, Master Choa Kok Sui, my teacher, has decided that these 11 major chakras and these 12 minor chakras, if you handle, that's more than sufficient for work to be done. Now, each chakra is situated at a specific place in your body and it controls certain organs, certain parts and certain systems of the human body. So by stimulating those chakras, you stimulate the energy concentration or the energy purity in those parts, in those organs and those systems of the body. So whichever part of the body, whichever organ of the body or whichever system of the body is weak or malfunctioning, when you stimulate that with energy, you give it more energy, the organ, the part, the system of the body begins to recoup. The body has its own self-recuperation system.
A chakra, when you have disease, malfunctions. So when chakras malfunction, their speed of rotation is affected or the quantity of energy in them is affected. So they can get congested or what we say depleted of energy. When they get congested, this is what you may say is getting blocked. So energy is not able to flow through them. So they have to be cleaned. Basically, the chakra has to be cleansed of the diseased energy and normalized so its rotation speed becomes normal and the level of energy in them also normalizes so the energy can then flow through them easily. Now, in pranic healing, we use different kinds of crystals. We use what is called a laser crystal, which I'm holding in my hand over here, which is thin and long, easy to hold and work with. It is pointed at this side, so the energy that is absorbed and stored and condensed can be focused like a sharp knife for our healing work, to remove disease energies, to disintegrate tumors and things like that. This increases the healing power of a healer. Secondly, we use round crystals like this to hold in our hands. Now when you place a crystal in your hand, it affects your whole energy body. All the chakras become bigger, especially the lower chakras, and your energy body also increases. So now it's like a pipe that has become much bigger. So more energy is able to flow through my hand and out through this hand. So thereby enhancing the power of a healer, which means that the time it takes to heal somebody gets reduced by half or even more. So I have to spend less time healing a patient when I use crystals.